Yes, 3 days to go. It will be end of this year 2022. Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 29th, 2022, we have a good news because we have a regular puzzle, but we have also an additional, yes, back in business. Let me show you. In additional, we have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Look, Thursday, December the 29th, 2022. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. And I will solve this regular medium Sudoku. And yeah, 3 days to go, include today. So Thursday, Friday, second day, and the third day is Saturday. Yes, 31st of December. It will be on Saturday. And then we have a new year on Sunday. Alright, let me start with this puzzle. Number 5704. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Medium Sudoku, I've noticed, has always 26 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be at 2 stars. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. How about, let me see, which number can I pick? Yeah, we have a 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number is a 3 in this row. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this row should be there. Then let me see. We have a pair. No pair. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the third row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square. So no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5 in this row. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column. So no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this first row for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. So no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Then 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row, so no 1 and 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third column for number 8. Alright. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. Here, 1 in the column next, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this row, here or there. We see another 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then. Cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to away. Hey, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then 1 number left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Alright. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. Let me see. 1, 2. How about the 2 in this column? Last column. 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Can I count? And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this last column. No 7 there. 7 should be set there, and a 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in this column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 2 stars. No, Let me give this a 1-star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and well, we will meet again. Yes, in the afternoon or in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.